Hey fam, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. Today's video is we're gonna make our own cream style corn. So you better come on in the kitchen. So fam, what we have here today is some corn, some whole kernel corn from the can. Now we got a simple, quick recipe for you guys to make your own cream style corn. Now I don't know why, but I don't care for cream style corn that's actually in the can, right? I don't care for that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put over in this some cornstarch, right? Now, most people use flour, but 1 tablespoon of cornstarch equals out to 2, I want to say teaspoons of flour for a thickening agent. Did I say that right? Anyway, I'm over here trying to use proper word tone. Y'all know how that is. But anywho, we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to add me some water. Now, you don't want to add too much water, but you want to add enough water, right? But you got to also know that we got the water right here. Now, I prefer to rinse my corn off and then fill up the can with 2, because I use 2 cans. I fill up the can with my water. I don't use the water from the can. But we're going to put this cornstarch aside. Now we're gonna put our butter in there. Now use how much butter you like, but I like a buttery flavor. Okay, I like a buttery flavor, so use whatever butter you like. Okay, now we're gonna season it with a little onion powder, just like that. Now we're gonna use a little salt, because like I say, I rinsed off the water. Just a little salt. I don't want much. Okay? And we're going to put up some black pepper in here. I love me some good old black pepper. Right? Just like that. Now, difference is we're going to add us some of this orange pepper seasoning. Because I want to take it up a notch, right? Oh, Lord, stop it. Okay. Oh, I get a little heavy-handed, y'all. I get a little heavy-handed. But if you're a viewer for the first time, thank you so much. If you're an old-time favorite follower, thank you. I really appreciate it. And welcome to all my new subscribers, you guys. Thank you for supporting this channel. It means absolutely a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this down, because I'm going to mix all of these flavors in here, right? Y'all, look at that. Ooh, looks so good. Okay, so now we're going to take our cornstarch, right? And I don't know why, but I always do this. So, it's a moment of silence. Okay, so I always do that. Basically, you could say, what you call it? I don't know. But anyway, let's get all that out of there. Okay, now, look at that. It's going to come together so quick and easy. When I tell you this is an easy go-to recipe, you guys, just keep stirring. You won't have lumps at all, you guys. This is a simple, easy recipe. You can make it home, right? You see, no lumps in here whatsoever. Corn don't have to be complicated. And if you like cream style corn, take control of your sodium intake and everything like that. Because when you make it best at home, that's the best recipe. You guys, you can see the thickness in there. Check that thickness out. I wasn't even going to make a video of this, But somebody needs to see that, right? Because your girl, I'm trying to tell you, I'm a pretty good soul food cook. I love my soul food cooking, okay? And yes, I'm an old school writer. I learned from the best. Yes, I learned from the best. May she rest in peace. You guys, there's not a recipe I think out here that I cannot cook. Well, I don't mean to brag, but it is what it is, okay? I just like bringing you simple recipes because that's the first stage of cooking for beginners, right? Y'all, look at that. Look at that. So if you never made your own cream style corn, follow this recipe and you will not regret it. Like I say, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch for 2 cans of corn, whole kernel in the can, okay? Or even if you want to strip it off, the kernel itself, you want to strip it off the corn. Whatever, y'all know what I'm trying to say. But anywho, yeah, that's all you need. See how it coming together? And you have your own cream style corn. You don't have to always use flour. Check out the recipe. So until then, you guys, share this recipe with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And yes, thank you once again. And I'm going to get ready to close out, sending my love from my house to yours. Goodbye.